What's up, guys? My name is Bree Langies. I'm an ACE certified personal trainer, and today I'm going to be going over my basic foam rolling routine. Let's get started. So first, we're going to be starting with our hamstrings. There's two ways that you can do this. You can either stack one foot on top of your quad if you want a little bit more pressure on your hamstring, but if you don't want as much, you're just going to take your foot off the quad and you're just going to roll out your hamstring. Next, we're going to be working on our calves. So you can either have both your calves on the foam roller and then just roll back and forth, or if you want to dive in a little bit deeper into that muscle, you're going to stack one leg on top of the other and focus on one calf at a time. This is what I normally prefer to do just because my calves can get a little bit tighter. Next, we're going to be going into our IT bands. This one can be a little bit more sensitive, so I highly recommend starting with as little pressure as possible. There's a few ways that you could do this one. You can either have your foot laying on the ground, where you're not putting as much pressure on your IT band, or you could stack your feet. This one is really, if you want to dig into that muscle, it will help you out, but I recommend starting off with the basic type of foam rolling for this. Next, we could start rolling our quads out. So there's not too many variations that we can do on this one, so I like to just focus on going back and forth, and if I feel any points that are a little sensitive, I will stay there on that muscle to just dive in a little bit deeper. We can bring the foam roller up a little bit to get our groin area. Try not to go down and up too low just because this area can get a little more sensitive. Now we're going to go to our glutes. So you will sit on the foam roller. You're going to have one foot down, and then your other foot you're going to put on your knee. And you're pretty much going to go side to side, rolling back and forth on each glute. This one you can also sit on any points that are a little bit more sensitive and just dive in a little bit deeper if you'd like. Next, we're going to focus on the upper body. So first we're going to start with the upper part of your back. So you're going to lay on the foam roller right parallel to where your chest is going to be. You're going to put your hands behind your head to support it. Then you're going to roll back and forth, making sure not to go too far down on your back. Then we're going to roll on our side and get right under the armpit. This place can be a little bit sensitive, so I suggest not putting too much pressure while you're doing this part of the routine. Next, we are going to do our sides of our back. So this one is very important. You're going to give yourself a big hug. You're going to go to your side, whatever side that you want to focus on first. Then you're going to roll back and forth, making sure that you're not rolling on your spine. This is key. You can get seriously hurt if you do roll on your spine, so make sure that you don't do that. That is my foam rolling routine, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Hope y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.